There are 6 steps that you'll find every person in this book does in one way or another. So number 1 is they like to review their goals no matter what. Whether short-term or long-term, daily, they review their goals. That's number 1. Right?
I absolutely agree with that. I like to tackle that day. It usually starts around 5:30 for me. I wake up and I try and just organize it in my head. And then I go to the gym so I can like work through the step.
The gym, look at that. Number 2 is they have to exercise because, right, absolutely.
But can you talk, like, for me, I was making the mental point. Can you talk about that?
It's true because, you know, if you exercise, your adrenaline is running with yourself. You got to understand, this is what the book is about. We have given our life to everybody else. We wake up, we answer emails, then we're somebody's father, mother, daughter, somebody else. We go to work, we're listening to the radio, looking on Instagram. Everybody has a better life than us. We no longer do what is important to us and zone out. So meditation and exercising and using that adrenaline gets you more productive for the rest of your day.
That's the thing for me is, for me, it's a mental thing. I mean, it's great that your doctor's happy with you and your heart is happy with you, but I do it to put my head in the right space.
Yeah. Absolutely. Next one is meditate, pray, or give thanks. I've noticed every single person has been giving gratitude for what they have today, and it makes them a better person.
And that is, in and of itself, a meditation.
That is meditation.
I also never thought I would say something we have in common is that we iron.
We love to iron. We get to zone out, right? Nobody else is bothering me. I get to just zone out and think of things. Number 4 is be positive, right? We get up saying we can do something instead of all the people that get up and go, oh my God, everybody else is living better than me. I can't do it. We use, you know, as I said, we have 10,000 words that we use every day. And if they're love, can, will, and do, they become more effective instead of hate, can't, and things of that nature.
That's good advice.
Number 5, you have to have a calendar, but the calendar is usually everybody else's life.
List maker?
Right?
I am a list-making woman.
Check out my calendar, 6 a.m. I read my goals when I wake up. Then I meditate, I pray, I go to the gym, I do the office. I'm going to the Rachael Ray show today, right? Meeting number 1, number 2, I'm doing emails in the car at the airport. But you know what I forgot to write? I got to call Mom to tell her I love her.
Yay!
Call Mom here. I got to call Minka.
And Minka. He has
and I have to go on a date with my other daughters for lunch. Lunch with my other daughters, because we put everybody else's needs in front of ours.
I love that. You have to remember your family and those that are closest to you, because that's where you get your roots. That's where you keep yourself grounded.
That's what we're doing it all for, isn't it?
That's right.
Right? And last but not least, don't be a slave to your inbox. Don't wake up in the morning and answer a bunch of emails of everybody else's, because that's your defense. You need to just send them out. I send out emails for 1 hour and don't answer any, because that's my offense. Get to work, everybody, instead of everybody telling me what to do.
You know, I really have nothing to add. I feel like such a bad